Why do so many people have a hard time finding the right lane and staying in it? Marietta Street in downtown Atlanta is a hotbed of driving gaffes. Is at both times frustrating yet fascinating. Yes, here's everyone's favorite parking spot in a no parking zone, this time in full view of a cop. Left hand turn from the center lane. Where's a cop when you need one? Oh, wait, he's right there. And they both blew through a red light. There's still a lot of confusion about the meaning of right turn only.
Dual turn fail.
Whoa, Nelly! Whoa, Nelly!
That U-turn can't be legal.
Dual turn fail.
Now for a cutoff montage. Hey, look, I got the old one finger salute.
To most drivers, a red light would signify the need to stop. But this driver has a slightly different interpretation.
The first thing to notice in this clip is the red truck left enough room in front of him to park a tractor trailer. Now watch the vehicle behind me as the driver tries to find the path of least resistance. Apparently that's not it. And there it is. Watch the highlighted vehicle. Notice that the blinker is on.
Dual turn fail.
And finally, this happened when I was almost at work. Yeah, this was kind of a minor annoyance at first, but it's a sign you're dealing with an impatient driver. But wait, there's more. My dash cam has a wide angle lens, so this was closer than it appeared. Some people just need to be slapped. Man, some drivers in Atlanta just can't find the right lane.